In this video, I will show you how to download all attachments in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once you're done, I want you to come to this search bar here and I want you to type has:attachment. This is a filter that searches for every email with an attachment. Now you see all emails with attachments. We're going to click here to select, and then we're going to create a new label. Now that we have all of our attachments under one label, we're going to go to takeout.google.com. Once the page loads, first of all, we're going to deselect all of this, and we're going to scroll down till we see mail. Now on the mail, we're going to click on this checkbox, and we're going to click on all mail data included. We are going to uncheck this box. We are going to uncheck all of the rest of the boxes except the attachment label that we created. So you see, we're going to come here and we're going to click, select just attachment, and we're going to click on OK. Now we're going to come down, we're going to go to next steps. Here we're going to fill in this data to our preference, and we're going to create export. And just like that, you create an export of all your attachments, and you'll have it on your computer. Once it's done, you'll be able to download it. And that's how you download all attachments in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.